You can do the max and define gatekeeper. There are some people in the business, them have power. Them say from this one and this all. So you have to know where you are this.
People with the ability, people who are good, decent people, they block them. And you find that a lot of these doors, opportunities are managed by people who should know better.
Lion Foots, yeah. We don't know for subscribe.
Bless, love and greetings. Good morning, all of my viewers and subscribers on the airway. The nice Nubian Queen, sir. Want to subscribe. So make sure to subscribe and click the bell. Say, yes, man, good morning. Give thanks to the rising, give thanks to life, give thanks for another day. You see what I say? Now big up everybody across the world, you know, you don't know. A peace and love and unity, we say, equality, diversity, empathy, you know what I say, equity, love. Big up all of the new fans on the channel who are sitting on the street and I say, Lion Foot, do you have a YouTube channel? Is that? I say, yeah, it's me, man, you know. It's a joy if you know, say, you have the silent viewers them. I watch and I meet them in person. So big up the whole UK, East, West, North, South, saying, we say stop the crime. Now we're there upon the journey, I bring the youth them got them summer club. You see what I say? Asha Malachi, forward. Come say good morning. You know we always, manners is the way, and you have to teach you the manners, make sure say, you know when you walk through a two-person attack, you say excuse me and you walk around them, not in between. And some of mother grow me and some show them. See? So see them, man.
Good morning, viewers subscribers. How you doing today?
How's everything? What are you going on?
We're going to school.
Summer club.
We're going to summer club.
Yeah? Alright, big them up, sir. Have a good blessed day.
Have a good blessing day.
Have a good blessing day.
Yeah, Malachi, Asha. See it? Yeah, they don't wire them. Big up my twin them in America, Aiden and Jaden. And the son say daddy. See it? Yeah, man, big up my daughter to my firstborn. Is that answer? Yeah. Out the way, Asha. Careful. Sorry. Yeah. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So coming up in this vlog, you know, you don't know. Capleton, the fireman, had an accident, escaped minor injuries. Big up the fireman. So I say, you know, fireman, I do the obsession in my house, in my yard, you know what I mean? It's a pleasure. Say, big up Casper. See? Yeah, man, I don't know. Danny Bless speaks about gatekeepers and this Jackie radio presenter. You see me I say, Rick Suave. Yeah, man, speak about also the industry and the gatekeepers and blockage and, you know? Yes, I'm making the hear what go on, my viewers and subscribers. Morning. Making the hear what go on. See? Yeah, man, we're forward back.
More people production.
This music business is a dog eat dog, very dangerous and evilous game. But I tell myself, I'm not kill but I sell out for no fame. It's not too late for a shower rain. But anyway, hear my story.
Please listen carefully.
Hey, man, a lion in the jungle.
Yes, I don't know Lion in the Jungle. That's my new latest, one of my latest singles, you know. One of, yeah. It's basically I speak about the music industry and, you know, my experience and things. So I say, yeah, man. So first now, Capleton had an accident coming from Coco Walk. You see me? Yeah, and had a little accident, you know. Car turned over and lost control. You see it? So we just want a speedy recovery, Capleton fireman. You see me I say? Yeah, man, speedy recovery. I don't know, even a couple people in the car and things, you see it? The whole of them suffered minor injuries, nothing major. You see me I say, yes, so I just said the thing they said. The speedy recovery, Capleton the fireman. Cheer, yeah, man, yeah, so. We have to turn off the phone in the car, you don't know, without the school. Don't know why I use the phone at the school, you see me? Especially when camera run, you see it? Morning, Jack. I'm vlogging the girl. Saturday, yeah.
Sing your song, yeah.
Yeah, that sing a song, yeah. Peckham Town, we ain't no push around. Morning. Peckham Town, keep the football on the ground. Peckham Town, we going up, not down. Peckham Town, come to claim the crown. We come to play this game, we come to win this match. Pick up the fans who come out to watch. Peckham Town, heading to the top. Like you see in Boatley, but no win our job. Hey, we are the menace, but not to society. We be champions, that's our priority. We have the skills, yes, we have the quality. The unity and a strong solidarity. Peckham Town, we ain't no push around. Yeah, man, I don't know the chairman. Big up yourself, Mike. Said? Alright. Don't know, Brian, big up yourself. The club chairman and founder, you know. Big up Rachel. Yes, big up Jackie. Big up Mary, another coach. First team head coach is a female. Yeah, man. Bad. So now my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man, that's Peckham Town FC, see? Right now I'm a big ambassador of Peckham Town FC, you know? No joke. Yeah, man. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So I don't know. Here Danny Bless has to say now about a little snippet. I'm say big up Annie Pastor. This was on Annie Pastor page. Zine. So Annie Pastor did an interview with him at Bucky Joe Studio. Big up the whole Buzzwalk family. Yes, so here Danny Bless has said.
Danny Bless. Yes, sir. Big up yourself, you know. Annie Pastor.
Quite
I respect it. Just make the visual stay like this because I'm an actor. I don't have to turn on. I do that something.
Yeah.
So what are you saying about it?
What is the issue that is the difficulty in the situation?
I know, Pastor. I'm not lying. The business put me in the depression in them.
Talk to us.
Select them, the gate man, them, the security them, and the patrons them, and the promoter them.
There's a lot of problems, you know.
Yeah, man. Them put me in the depression. And like, if I don't sort myself out, them are going in a depression. You understand me?
But explain, like, what kind of stress are they causing you?
It's not about me, you know. It's about the business, you know. Can be a bad man in the business, you know. And gatekeeper, you know. You hear me? You have gatekeeper, you know. So if you know, can do the max and define gatekeeper. There are some people in the business, them have power. Them say from this one and this all. So you have to know where you are this. Remember I sound me tell you so, you know. Can't diss everybody.
So did you diss any one of the powerful people in the dancehall, Illuminati?
I don't diss people.
And why are you going through a problem with them that can you say if you this one, you this also?
No, what am I do boy with my career? Them a go on the thing, you know, them a tell the people I'm an ex-bad man.
But most people in dancehall are ex-bad man, so that's not a problem.
I'm in England over 20 years, I never do a sentence. And what I tell people I'm a bad man, them do all 10 years and 20 years and charge for all murder.
So are they banting in your bookings then?
Yes.
Well, I said, just, where words you always do? When say that, just so, we always say, like so, we always have
Quite so.
Quite so.
You see it, we have to give blood clot acknowledgement. Say it for me.
Quite so.
Right. You so, remember the meds though.
Viewers and subscribers, you don't bless us about the gatekeepers have to be careful because they will block you, shut you out, and you must suffer depression. Right now, I get depressed of the whole situation and thing. But if you don't want to listen, the rest of it cause is a hefty reasoning, and then the man speak some very solidify and positive stuff, you know. Because I hear that and I say that, and me experience it. I come across two of them. You know, and one female and one male, and all because I was standing up for my rights in America, you know, I was told I can be blacklisted. Sealer, blessed, sorry. And the pollen them under the leaves. You know, man sneeze, that's it. Yeah, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man, so 2018 again. One 2010, one 2018, is in my personal experience, you know. Yes, so. But then bless I say, true. You have gatekeepers all about England, Jamaica, America, and you have them in all different professions. Not just music, you have them in a track and field, you have them in a cricket, enough football because enough youth are talented. Not get the breakthrough. You see what I say? Yeah, man. I remember one time I'm just deep into the refereeing at Chelsea Football Club. One of the parents, you know what I mean? Film child there, long. And me have an agent friend where we go to games together. So me referee and him come here and watch. We try to find players. You see? Because I know we have links to agent and them things there. You see me? Yeah. You see me? I say so. Film sounded good. But they never let him through, and some of the players them like not half film quality, they went through the gate, you know. Yeah, so those are the things. They have gatekeepers in all different ways and areas, not just music. You see me I say? But if you want to listen to the rest of what Danny Bless I say, you can go over Any Pastor YouTube channel, go watch it. You see me I say? Big up Danny Bless and big up everybody. Now you have a general named Ricardo. Rick Suave. He's an artist and he's also a DJ, see? So he's basically speaking on the same topic, that's why I put them together. So here where I say.
Yeah, people of the world, blessings. Sunday, July 24, 2022. This is Jamaican recording artist and broadcaster Ricardo Suave. You know, some day I look into life and I'm saying to myself that this world is unfair. And I'm speaking from a Jamaican perspective. Maybe it happens like this elsewhere in the world, but I'm speaking on my Jamaican reality, where lots of benefits and spoils are being given and awarded to many people who don't deserve it. Many people who don't have the ability, and many people are just the worst, coming from the cesspool tribe of life. These are the people they open opportunities and open doors for. While people with the ability, people who are good, decent people, they block them. And you find that a lot of these doors, opportunities are managed by people who should know better. And what do? They baby, they nurture these wicked, corrupt people and give them all the opportunities in the world and block good people. So all the people in the world who are good people, who have opportunities, make sure you reserve those opportunities for those who have the ability, who are worthy, who are capable. And you open doors for people, decent people, who will not come to cause strife and mischief, but come and do their work to the best of their ability and help others, help the organization, help others around them. Don't seek to be bad-minded and corrupt. You catch me? I remember I used to work at a radio station up the road. And all that was there was bad mind and corruption. You found that the people who kept getting the opportunities and who kept being lauded and supported were the worst people. The most corruption and bad mind you could ever see in life. And their ability, them not have no ability. But at them push and promote, and the people with the ability, them force out and disrespect and marginalize. But we want that to stop. All the people of the world who believe in truth, what is just, what is right, we must come together and help those who are worthy. Stop giving opportunities to unworthy people. We have to change this now. Jamaica's independence comes up on August 6th, 60th anniversary. That's what Jamaica is celebrating, Diamond Jubilee. We must start to give opportunities to those who have the ability, those who are worthy, and the good people among us, not the scum. Blessings.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, and here I say, it's real. Enough people with the opportunity not go through. That's what I say. And here I say, radio station, where him did the farmer radio station, and fight him out, people with the talent and clean heart and with help others, like myself, them fight them out, them hold them back, and push through them friend, where not have the half ability or quality like you. That's what I say, but I just so life staying on. You just have to stay real and keep calm with the composure and clean heart, and God will bless you. Because, you know, my 17 years of trying to get the breakthrough. Well, not 17 years may I do it, but, you know, do music, but it took me a couple of years, you know, to say, ready for the road now. You see what I say? I say I have to big up Chuck Back, because Chuck Back saw my live performance. We working with our bands. Zine and the man call me the next day, message me and say, yo, come link me for the studio. I'm going to go link him. Beanie Man was there, you know, hold up a man at the yard, and the man say, yo, you ready now, you know? Yeah, man. And him did that, the show, I said, John, you let me know, man. I said, no, I never want you to see me, because maybe you go extra and do overdo it. You see me, but you just watch and stay and watch, you know? Yeah, you see me, I say. And the man said, I'm ready for the road now, so big up, Chuck Back. Zine. But I saw the music business set my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. I don't know, I'm lying for doing another vlog. I read with when I boast and I say, live clean and keep it real, you know? What is for you is for you, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Like you must fight, nobody can stop you. Is it? Just keep doing you. That's it. Yeah, man. So big up on yourself, alright? I'm hungry, my bango, and I'm feed for some red pea soup in the day. Ital. You see what I say? Yeah, no red meat. That's it? Straight.